we're actually trying to take on. That's Mississauga.
Yeah.
You see Mississauga skyline?
Yeah, lilipat na tayo. Yeah.
Oh, that's like the 407. It's Mississauga right there.
That's 401.
401? Oh.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Now we're about to take off. Finally, the engines are roaring. There you go. There you go. He's scared. Finally. Let's go. You're gonna be deaf over the air. Scared. Oh, why am I scared? But this thing is going so fast. I know, it's very fast. I can see the CN Tower. You see the CN Tower? I see it. I see. You can't see it, right? I can see it. Look at the inclination of this plane. You can see the CN Tower, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, you see that?
Yeah.
You see the CN Tower? The CN Tower. There's downtown Toronto right there.
Yeah, picture.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if you can take a picture of.
Send it to me.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. There's downtown Toronto right there. You see the camera?
Yeah.
Right there. Look at that. I can see Lakeshore. You see that?
Yeah.
You see the bridge? Lakeshore Bridge right there. Wow. The condo. Everything is there. Just keep going straight. It goes south. I'll try. I'm gonna put on YouTube.
No, when you get out. Yeah, put it here.
You could give me your phone. That's Center Island right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Center Island's like down there. Wow. That's a treatment plant too. Where's our house? Here?
Oh, see our house right here.
Oh, you can't see this something. That's the whole of Toronto.
Where's our house?
It has to be somewhere there. See the clouds, like right next to you. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few moments, we'll be turning off the seatbelt sign. We encourage you to keep your seatbelt on.
Look at the
If you're
highway
going over
traffic.
up and overhead bin, be a little careful so we can ship to the takeoff. Don't forget smoking not allowed on board.
I don't know. This is like it will be cool.
There's smoke detectors.
But we're going back. A what?
Castle
You
Brook.
brought alcohol aboard
No.
when you purchased your own or purchased duty free. Please remember, as per Transfer Canada regulations,
We're gonna
consuming
go to
personal
see
alcohol
how
beverages on board is not permitted.
Yeah, look at that. It's so
The comfort
slow.
and safety of all things
It's
use
traffic.
personal alcohol to enjoy wherever your travels take you once we land. We're also pleased to offer you player and flight streaming entertainment system. In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a handy how to connect card. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, you'll have movies, music, and other entertainment choices. You can connect to your laptop
Oh, I will be able to see the
or
CN
rent one of our
Tower.
iPads for just a cost of $10.
Maybe it's gonna pass.
We're also pleased to offer you a wide selection of delicious snacks and meals from our onboard cafe. Take a browse through the menu in your seat pocket and have your credit card handy. There are also a few non-food items to enhance your comfort. Enjoy your flight. Mesdames et messieurs, nous allons éclairer comme des ceintures dans quelques minutes. C'est de vos encourageants. Gardez votre ceinture attachée. Si vous avez un carte sécuritaire, soyez prudent car certaines choses échangées face au décollage.
After a year, this is my first time.
Numéro et de même d'utiliser une cigarette électronique et de signature de cigarette. Pour la sécurité, la validité du technique du shipping. Après le bureau du plane, c'est un bureau de directement. On achète un enveloppe avec carte de connexion pratique. Une fois la conduite ceinture acquise, vous pourrez choisir de vivre de la